Today, we're going to make a 3D giraffe. For this craft, you are going to need some cardstock paper, you'll need a pencil and eraser, you'll need a black marker, some scissors, and a glue stick and tape. To start this craft, we will draw our giraffe. You'll need to draw a neck, a head, some ears, and a snout. If you're not sure about what a giraffe looks like, you can maybe see if your mom or dad can help you search for a picture of one, maybe in a book or on the internet. Or you could just use your imagination. That's okay too. When you are happy with your drawing, use a black marker to outline it. Of course, you don't have to outline your drawing if you don't want to. This is just to make the lines pop. When you're done outlining, erase any visible pencil markings. Now it's time to color your giraffe. You can color your giraffe with crayons, pencil crayons, or even marker, whatever you prefer. I like wax crayons, so that's what I'm going to use. When you're finished coloring, it's time to cut out the pieces of your giraffe. Alright, now that they're all cut out, just put them to the side. On a fresh piece of paper, color a background for your giraffe. This is where your giraffe is going to live. Since they live in the jungle, I'm going to draw some leaves and make it look kind of like a jungle. Of course, you can draw whatever you want. Maybe your giraffe is discovering space for the first time. It's all up to you. Use your imagination and have fun. When you're satisfied, glue down the neck for your giraffe. Now, just add on your facial features. I'm using tape because I used wax crayon. And to create the 3D effect for your giraffe's head, use some scrap paper or strips from cardstock paper and tape the ends together to make a circle. Tape the circle to the back of your giraffe's head, and then tape the other end to the background paper. If this is a bit difficult, you can always ask for help from your mom or dad, or maybe you have an older brother or sister who'd be able to help you with this part. Try and keep the circle as centered on the head as you can. This will prevent your head from being lopsided on your giraffe. Now, as you can see, your giraffe's head pops out. You can repeat this step for the giraffe's snout. Again, if you had trouble, be sure to ask for help. And you're finished!